When you sent Alex into the water from the top of Oliver Dam on October 27, 2020, based on what you knew, did you think it was safe?
Yeah, I did.
Would you have put him in the water if you didn't think it was safe?
No, I volunteered actually.
Tell me about that.
Me being the supervisor, I don't dive as much as I used to. This was supposed to be an easy dive, go and see what's wrong with the chain. Someone like him, I might need him for a more technical dive after this, once we figure out what's going on with the chain. So I said, I'll do it if you don't want to. Nothing, no problem. Like, didn't think anything of it. I just never, I wouldn't have volunteered if I thought it was unsafe, nor would I ever put anyone else at risk intentionally. It's not worth it. No job is worth that. So I miss him every day, but I know I didn't put him in harm's way on purpose. I would have went if he said he didn't want to. If he said he wanted to watch the wreck, I would have went down and I would have dove it instead. Who knows? He'd probably be sitting here today.
That's all the questions I have. Thank you.